Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. So we are back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about how to analyze the market between forex and crypto. We are trying to go into comparisons, analysis, this and this between these two markets, but let's try to see how you can analyze and utilize the opportunities available in these two different markets. So we are going to use two instruments, which is going to be Ethereum USD in the crypto space, and we are going to use a Euro AUD on the forex side. So let's try to analyze these two and see how do you do the analysis to capitalize on the opportunities available on your charts right there. So we are looking at Euro UAD, and you're going to use the 1 hour chart, and you're going to look at Ethereum USD, and we're using the 1 day chart. So why the difference? So in forex markets, we are using the 1 hour chart because mostly in forex we are looking at simple gains intraday, or sometimes even scalp entries, whereby we'll try to focus on simple moves in the market and try to capitalize on those. For example, we have a trend here to the upward side, and it took a couple of days, which is 3 to 4, and it breaks to the downward side. Within a day, it's back to the sell zone, and you open your positions right there. You capitalize on this move till the previous support retests back to the rejection zone, and you also try to target this entry to the previous support. Now, as you can see, all these setups, they are in just a week or two, which means every couple of days you have another setup, and you enter and you close intraday. For a setup like this, it breaks and retests, which means this setup you enter and you close intraday. When you try to hold for long, such short positions will always go against your side. Now, if you try to go to Ethereum, on the side of Ethereum, for example, we are looking at a chart which starts from exactly 2023 till now, which is 10 months. Now, if you look at this, how do you capitalize on this? It's starting right away from January till October. So this is 10 months. So it means for the cryptocurrency space, it's most of investing and holding for long term. Now, if you look at the start of the year 2023, we started somewhere around 1,200 on January 1st. Pretty basic. And if you look, we had a really strong upward trend straight away till February. We had a pullback in February and another pullback in March. Now here we start seeing the market rejecting at a certain level. Now, if you can look properly, this is a really very long time till this setup comes back. Now this is 3 months. Now, if you try to capitalize on the move in cryptocurrencies, you have to be able to buy and hold. Otherwise, you're always going to miss out on such opportunities, which is not the same as forex. Here, let's try to do some analysis so that at least you can understand what we are talking about here. Now here we can look at a declining price from August of 2022 to the beginning of the year 2023. Now, if you look at this, we can see double lows being created, equal lows being created in the market, and the market respects this zone at the close of the year. Now, when it breaks, we see a point of resistance being created where the market breaks from, and that's exactly where the market retests, and this is our good position to open a long position on Ethereum USD. Now, if you look properly, how long did this long position take to be created? Now, if you look at this, it was a 1 to 2, simple 1 to 2, risk to reward. But how much did it increase? It went from 1,500, 600, 700 to 800. But how many days did it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It took a week and a half or 10 trading days. And if you try to catch the highest move right there, it took a complete from let's say it started from 11th of March till let's see here, 23rd of April. It took a month and 2 weeks. Now this is a long time, and on the side of forex trading, you could have open and close somewhere around 100 to 200 positions. Now the difference between these two markets is that the cryptocurrency market is sort of a buy and hold so that you can capitalize on those gains. Otherwise, when you buy and close intraday, you always miss out on the big picture. Now these two will give you a very good example of how these two markets work. If you buy here and hold, even one Ethereum can create a move of something like 300 to 400 pips. Otherwise, when you try to look back on the forex markets, here we have just a couple of days, which is 10 to 15 days, just half of October, but you can see how all these moves were created, multiple confirmations, multiple entries. We can see a break and retest around here, and this was your cue to enter the market right here. You can see a break of this upward trend and a retest of the exit zone, and this was your cue to enter. All this happens just within days. And we come back to Ethereum. When you try to put in the 1 day chart, 1 hour chart, it will be pretty small, and we will have very small movements which won't make really good sense right there. But when you try to zoom out on the 4 hour or 1 day chart, it will really start making sense. So those are the two differences between these two markets. One is good for intraday and short-term positions, and the other, which is cryptocurrency, is good for long-term buy and hold sort of investing strategy. So that was our video between how you analyze and look for opportunities in these two markets. Thanks for watching, and keep it up.